Hi guys, welcome to the jungle. This is Captain Nick with MarineMax in St. Petersburg, Florida. Behind me right now, we have the undoubtedly best looking Boston Whaler 280 Outrage in the whole country with the Abaco blue hull sides, really good looking boat. Let's hop on board and get this party started. Besides the hull side colors, there are a few things that make this 280 Outrage stand out on the market. One, back here we do have twin 300 Verados, but that's not exactly what I'm talking about. These Verados are equipped with joystick piloting. We'll get to that in a second. Back here we do have the option for the second live well, able to separate those baits. Got good suction on that one. We've mentioned it before, this is a fishing boat with family capabilities. Let's hit on the fishing a little bit. We're gonna have two massive in-deck fish boxes. They also pump out on a macerator pump, keep your catch nice and cold, especially when you're in Florida, when all that ice really does count in the summer sun. Back here we've got our prep station. We have our deluxe leaning post live well in there, really deep well. Why is it blue on the inside, you might ask? Well, what color is the ocean? Blue. Due to the high quality of Victor's lens that he's using, you can see exactly how hot it's getting in Florida on land. You see the beads of sweat coming down off my forehead. That means it's time to get out on the water. Okay, over here. Got the sky hook, we got the joystick, that's what we were talking about before. That's what makes this boat a step above all the others. Got our Mercury vessel view right here. Over here we've got a blank canvas. I know you've heard me say that a million times. What would I do if this were my boat? I'd go with a single 16-inch screen right there, nice and big, be able to see all the numbers and whatnot. We hit on quite a bit of the fishing features right here. We're gonna move on up, we're gonna hit on those family features. Down below we have a massive oversized head. Take a peek in there, Victor, let's go. Up here we've got the King's Throne, or Queen's Throne as I like to call it. However, it does serve a purpose, as you know. Down beneath, have all the room for all of our dive tanks if needed, fishing rod storage, the whole 9 yards. Up here on the very bow, have a few more seats. Also, gotta have your windlass because nobody wants to throw their back out these days. I know what everybody's thinking right now. It's the end of the video. You still haven't named this boat. Well, with the Abaco blue hull side colors, I'm gonna call this boat, it's gonna come across the bottom of the screen, the Bahama Mama. So once again, I'm Captain Nick with MarineMax St. Pete. This is a 280 Outrage by Boston Whaler, and I would love to show you this exact boat and others just like it. Come on down, let's make that dream a reality. Bye guys.